The number of countries reporting new incidents of COVID-19 continues to rise. New Zealand, Lithuania and Belarus are amongst the latest to confirm their first cases. The World Health Organization has upgraded the global risk of the virus.
It calls for all countries to educate their populations, to expand surveillance, to find, isolate and care for every case, to trace every contact, and to take an all-of-government and all-of-society approach.
Iran is now the biggest cause for concern, with more than 200 people reported to have died. As authorities there try to get control of the situation, Friday prayers in the country were cancelled for the first time in 40 years. Worldwide, there have been more than 2,500 deaths from this strain of coronavirus. The United Nations says each country has to do its bit.
We know containment is possible, but the window of opportunity is narrowing. And so I appeal for solidarity and full global support, but with all countries fully assuming their responsibilities.
Italy continues to be Europe's biggest cause for concern, with more than 650 cases and several towns in the north of the country still on lockdown. The UK has reported its first case of a patient who caught the virus from within Britain. In the United States, a second case of community contagion in California, as the number of infections across the country passes 50.
We haven't lost anybody yet, and hopefully we can keep that intact. There have been no deaths in the United States at all. A lot of that's attributable to the fact that we closed the border very early. Otherwise, it could be a different story.
Other countries that haven't yet had any confirmed cases of the virus are preparing, bracing themselves for what is likely the inevitable. Rich Preston, BBC News.